welcome back to my channel.
Hi!
So today I'm going to show you how I make orange chicken. And right now I'm actually prepping it the night before in a slow cooker bag, and tomorrow I'm going to just throw it right in the slow cooker when I want to cook it. So what you're going to need is some orange marmalade, some barbecue sauce of your choice. I have just regular Sweet Baby Ray's, and then some minced garlic and some soy sauce. So what I'm going to do first, you're going to need equal parts of the barbecue sauce and the orange marmalade. So I'm going to do a half a cup of this orange marmalade right now. Orange marmalade going in. And I only have 2 frozen chicken breasts that I'm working with. It's all I had in the freezer for chicken. But it'll do. Half a cup of barbecue sauce. Now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of some soy sauce, and I got water on the lens. And then I'm going to do 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. So that's basically it. It's just the barbecue sauce, the orange marmalade, and then some minced garlic. Oh yeah, and then some soy sauce. So I'm going to twist this up and give it a good zhuzh. So that's what the sauce is gonna look like. I'm just gonna put this in the fridge until tomorrow, and I'll show you when I start cooking it then. So I have the orange chicken in the crock pot right now, and I just added some frozen peppers and onions. I also added 2 more chicken thighs. I went to the store this morning, so I got a little bit more chicken. I added 2 chicken thighs, so it'll be a little bit more chicken to the sauce. It's 11:15 right now, and I'm probably going to cook this for a good 4.5 hours, and I'll come back to you when it's all done. So it has been 4 hours that I've been cooking. It's definitely done, and I'm just cooking up some rice right now with it. It's a Zavea. And I'm probably going to cook just some mixed veggies with it as well. So I'll show you what it looks like all plated up.
It's gonna be good.
And it smells delicious.
It's gonna be good.
Alright, so this is how I make my rice. Teaspoons of this better than bouillon, just to make it like more of a chicken flavor. So I have the 2 teaspoons of chicken bouillon, and I'm just going to give this a stir until it's dissolved. So that's pretty dissolved in there. And now I have 2 cups of water that I'm going to add. So it's basically like regular rice, but you're adding in chicken bouillon and some butter. Let this come to a boil, and then cover it and simmer for 18 minutes.